Hi friends, this is me Cleta Lourenco, and today's topic what I am going to deal is on Plea of Alibi. Section 11 of Indian Evidence Act, which talks about a plea of alibi when facts not otherwise relevant becomes irrelevant. Plea of alibi where the burden of proof lies on a person. Now, the case Dudh Pandey vs. State of UP. Now let us know what is the facts of the case. So in this case, the prosecution is that the appellant who was living as a tenant in the outhouse of the bungalow belonging to the deceased developed a fancy for the sister of the deceased. So here, the appellant had a thought of a fancy towards the sister of a deceased, and where he was thinking that his sister was his wife, and secondly he also applied to the city magistrate asking for the custody of the deceased sister as she was a lawful wedded wife, and here the applicant was dismissed by learned magistrate after taking a record of the statement by the sister of the deceased and the family of the deceased. So his overtures created resentment towards the family and deceased and decided to prevent the appellant from pursuing his sister. Prior to the date of occurrence, the appellant was alleged to have threatened to kill the deceased sister. It was further alleged that while the deceased was returning home from his scooter after leaving his sister from the school where she was working as a teacher, the appellant fired a shot at him with a pistol and he died on the spot. And here the appellant was booked under section 302 of IPC for committing a murder. Now here the issue was whether the appellant is discharged from honors to prove his defense from the reasonable doubt. Now here the court held that the alibi is a Latin term which means elsewhere. The plea of alibi postulates the physical impossibility of presence of the accused at the scene of the offense by the reason for the presence at another place. The plea can be succeeded only if it is shown that the accused was so far away at the relevant time that he could not be present at the place where the crime was committed. Thank you.